How to log in to Yahoo Mail account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for yahoo.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Yahoo. Tap on the Sign In button on the top right of your screen and you will further be led to the Login portal of Yahoo. Go ahead and enter your username, email, or mobile number associated with Yahoo and tap on the Next button. And if you want the device to remember your login credentials, tap on the Stay Signed In checkbox. And if you have forgotten your username, tap on the Forgot Username option and recover your username. You can also tap on the Create an Account button and create an account if you don't already have an account. You will then be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and tap on the Next button. And if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the Forgot Password option and log in further, and with this you will be logged in to Yahoo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.